Alright, so this is a Euro US dollar chart, and I'm gonna show how we added like a new function for time and sales to the chart API, so I'm going to demonstrate what it looks like. So if I go into settings, I have this set up as key X, which can be anything. I just put X here for this demonstration, and I click OK, and here I have a Euro US dollar 5-minute chart. So what we want to do is see time and sales in Excel. So I'm gonna I think the easiest way to demonstrate this is to go into formulas, insert a function, and scroll down to here and select the Trade29 SierraChart Excel add-on. Select time and sales and click OK. And then for the key, we have X, that's the key of the chart, and the number of trades is the number of rows we want to see. So I'm going to click OK, and we get the time and sales. So this is basically showing me the date and time, and then the price, and whether it's a bid or an ask, and the quantity. And this matches up with SierraChart's version. We can kind of look at them side by side here. So let's add some more rows. I'm going to add 30 rows. And so we can see a bit more data. And let's color these, right? Let's color these so we can see a bit better. No, not like that. Like this. And then I go to Home, and I select Conditional Formatting, and let's color them. Yeah, text that contains bid. Let's color that red. Okay, and then text that contains ask, we're going to color that green. Let's do that. Color that green, like so. Okay, now it's more easy to see that it kind of matches up with SierraChart's. As you can see, they don't refresh exactly the same, and it looks like SierraChart is refreshing a bit faster. So let's deal with that. Let's get Excel to update quicker. So I'll go here and set the throttle. Throttle interval is currently 2000. Let's set it to 100. Let's see if that looks a little faster. Yeah, looks better. So now we can see that it's updating more in line with SierraChart's update of this window, right? That's what I'm kind of looking at.